Hello, and today I'm going to show you how you can install LM Studio on Linux using this fresh Ubuntu 20 LTS version. For this, open your browser and navigate to LM Studio official website. On the main page, it should automatically show you the best application configuration for your system. In my case, I have Ubuntu Linux x64 and it suggests me to download AppImage format. If you have Windows, you will be suggested to download exe file. If you switch to other tab, you will be able to download LM Studio CLI Interface, which is used primarily on servers or Linux boxes, but we are not going to cover it today. Prerequisites for using any AppImage executable on Linux is Fuse and libfuse2 developer libraries. You can install them by running this command. After you have successfully installed Fuse and libfuse and downloaded your LM Studio AppImage executable, switch to Downloads folder from your terminal. Next thing you need to do in order for you to run LM Studio AppImage is to make it executable. If we check LM Studio writes using ls command, we can see that it does not have executable permissions. You can add executable permissions to your AppImage using two ways, from terminal or your File Explorer GUI. First, I'm going to show you how you can add executable permissions from GUI. For this, open your Files Explorer, navigate to Downloads folder and right-click on your AppImage, select Properties, scroll down until you find this switch. Click on it. After you have clicked on it, your GUI has automatically made this app executable. Close it. You can verify this by running the same command ls with LA flags. And now, as we can see, our Explorer have added executable permissions to our AppImage. Now I'm going to take them back and show you how you can set them from terminal. As we can see, we have the same permissions as before, and now what you need to do is run this command: chmod +x and dot slash, and you can automatically select your AppImage using tab autocomplete. After you have run this command, executable permissions will be automatically added to your image. After this, if you're running this on a VM like myself, you will need to run this with no-sandbox flag passed. For this, press again /navigate autocomplete and pass no-sandbox flag. If you're running it without VM, you will be able to launch it right from your File Explorer GUI without passing any flags. Now, as we can see, it tells us that we have no 3D enabled, but successfully launched our LM Studio and started with walkthrough. You can skip this part and continue right to your LM Studio. And as you can see, this way you can run LM Studio on your Ubuntu LTS version. Later I'm going to show you how you can add this app icon to your application menu.